What's up, guys? Back again today for our daily pack opening. Found a couple kind of the legacy packs here. So we got the Spell Ruler, comes with booster pack, 2 rares and 8 commons. So I really love opening these for some reason. It just brings back all the nostalgia. So here's our cards there. Let's get the pack. Alright. So out of our loose ones, first up we've got Kujikiri Curse. Nice. Too bad it's got a little bit of damage at the top here, but we got Dimension Shifter. As you can see, the scratch up top there, but still a nice little secret. Man, even the corners are all, these cards have been beat up. All right, we got Ignite Cavalier. Here is Ignite Veteran. Another Ignite Cavalier. Here is Metal Detector. Fake Explosion. Spatial Collapse. Here is Crystal Master. Oh, siren's way off. And last is Shiranui Sword Saga. And then on to the Spell Ruler. Alright. We got Stone Ogre Grotto. We got Red Archery Girl. Kododama. Yumiruka. Here is Shining Angel. A couple of those pulled. Wall Shadow. Giant Turtle Who Feeds on Flames. Peacock. And final card is Hamburger Recipe. So there you have it, guys. There's our daily pack opening for today. Kind of a 2-for-1 almost, but as always, I'll leave price description below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.